Yeah, so as you guys can see, the soles are just raggedy, and I found a place that's close by, well, I think if I don't get lost, that can repair it, so we'll see. Now, so one of my girls mentioned this. I think it was actually last year. I was talking about these boots, and she was like, just go to a shoe cobbler. And I was like, I'd never thought of that. I've never had a shoe repaired ever in life, y'all. So, head and put on this little navigation system on this phone, because you guys, I get lost. I will go lost going 2 blocks down the street, seriously. I'm going to go ahead and put this on so I don't get lost, so I can get there right. Trying to get them in time for the rain and, you know, lovely, wonderful weather.
Oh, I know, right? It will be here for a few months again.
Okay, guys, so I just dropped off my shoes at Gresham Shoe Repair. It only cost $25, which is better than buying a whole brand new pair of these shoes. And I just love them because it's so, they're like tennis shoes at the bottom, so I love them. So anyway, $25, that's it. And she said that my shoes will be ready in a week. She'll give me a call, and that was it. She didn't mind pictures and filming. I probably should have asked that at first, or I would have did a whole lot more, but a little bit of footage is all good. You guys get the point. I'll pick them up in a week, and when I get them in a week, I will let you guys see what the bottoms of the shoes look like.